Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this is my last unboxing for the year. This is for December. This is for my beauty subscriptions, and I'm really excited. Kind of sad because the year just kind of flew by as it usually does, but it's just like I just blinked, gone. Also, pretty exciting. I have one more sleep, and then I will be on a plane leaving the country. I'm so freaking excited. A little nervous, a little excited. No, a little nervous, a lot excited. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video. So I'm gonna be unboxing Ipsy and my Macy's beauty box. Now the Ipsy one is the upgraded $25 one. It comes like this. This is for December, and this is gonna be part of my Vlogmas. So let's get ready to jump in. So jumping in here, this, you just open it up like that and all the products are just ready to rumble. And these are more like full-size products. That's what I like about the upgraded version of it. Let me move this out the way because I have like no space. Okay, so, oh my God, Deb, come on. Little prep work here. Open up. Alrighty, so jumping right in here. How many times am I gonna say jumping? Jumping in, okay. 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. It's a sign I'm going there. Okay, so what is this? This is a gel hydratant. My God, I can't even freaking speak. Okay, so it's a gel hydratant activant. Whatever. It's a moisturizing, ooh la la. And I need this like 911 for my skin because, oh yeah, it smells good. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. I didn't put any products on my face today, which I should have like actually moisturized right when I got out of the shower, but you know, sometimes a bee is just really busy. Right here, like in the middle of my forehead and like on the bridge of my nose, I get so dry around Christmas time, around the holidays. And I live in Florida, so it's like not even that dry. It's actually pretty humid down here. But it still gets really dry. Okay. Feels nice on the skin. Loving it so far. I am feeling a little the teeniest, tiniest bit of burn, but I think it's because of the fragrance in it. It does smell good though. Okay. So, next up, what is this? Oh, this is the insert that comes in the actual box. Gives you like information on all the products and all that good stuff. Next up we have this Verso eye cream, and it says nourishing formula for skin around the eyes. Okay, I'll be putting that on a little bit later. Next up we have this, we designed this brush to make your life easier, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is a brush. This is a press and set bronzer brush. Okay, let's just open up this side. Oh, I love these type of brushes. Oh yeah. Oh, it is so soft, you guys. And so, what does it say again? Let me drink some of my tea, excuse me. Oh yeah, it's good for my soul. Press and set? Where did I see press and set? Press and set bronzer. Okay, so how I put my bronzer on is, and then you just kind of, I love this. I'm going to take this with me. Zu London. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, we got a little bag in this one. Oh my God, something in my eye, something in my eye. A little bag here. This is cute, festive. Next up we have this Elamasqua liquid eyeliner. And this is one of the felt tip ones. Felt tip eyeliners are my fave. And right now I'm loving the Tom Ford one that has like the double felt tip. So it's like on each end, it has like a defining felt tip, and then it has like a more like a regular felt tip on the other side. Okay, last up we have this palette, which I'm going to break open here. Ooh, this is pretty. It kind of looks like a leather look to it. Oh wow, it's magnetized. It has a really nice mirror. Nice. And then, oh okay, I was like, oh, interesting. And these colors are really nice. Very nice. Very neutral, gray, taupey colors. Excuse me. A hot mess today. The Ultimate Winter Eyeshadow Quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades. Okay, so now they're matte and shimmery shades. I need to see which one is shimmery and which one is matte. Oh, okay. So the two top ones are the matte ones, and the two bottom ones are the shimmery ones. Okay. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. Oh, okay. So that is the swatch for the eyeshadows. Now, when they say shimmery, I'm not sure what they mean because I don't see any shimmer, but maybe I need to put like primer, you know, just do the whole shebang here. Okay, so while I go open up this box, I'm actually gonna pause right here because my cute little camera is gonna heat up as per usual, so please hold. Oh, tea is so good. You like my cup? Mug? Got it at my little friend's miss. My little buddy Krishmish gave it to me. He's so nice. He's so nice. Okay, so I tore into this. Basically, like I Hulk smashed into this, right? And this is my Macy's. So we're moving on to now my Macy's beauty box. This one, so the first one was, oh my God, sorry, my nose itches. My first one was my Ipsy one, which is $25 a month. This one is $15.95, which is basically $16 a month. And this one does have a couple like sample size, more so, yeah, but like more so sample size ones, products rather. I can't think, my mind is on Christmas. And the other one does have fuller size products. Okay, so jumping in here, I see this beautiful, gorgeous, sparkly bag. And if you know me, you know that I love sparkles. So this is perfect for me. Love it. Don't know what that is. And then it comes with a booklet that has all the information on the products. So pretty amazing. It usually comes in this pink paper, which I'm not mad at. Okay, so, all right. Okay, I think this might be the third time that I'm getting this. I'm not sure if it was with Macy's or with like, maybe Ipsy and Macy's combination, but I really do have to try these. Like I have them on my vanity ready to try. And I've heard great things about it too, like fantastic things. So this is vitamin C Ceramide capsules, Radiance Renewal Serum. And if you know me, you know I love serums, girl. I love serums. Okay, there are two perfume, well there's a perfume and a cologne sample in here. There's Invictus and there's Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. So I'm sure the Invictus is the male one. So that's gonna go to Freddie. Okay, next up, oh, we have the original makeup drop, non-toxic, oh my God, I can't speak. Non-toxic, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free. And it's glittery. Love it. Love it already. Okay, gotta try that. Just try, excuse me. Oh yeah. Okay. Next up we have this Afterglow highlighter by Pure. It's very goldish, so that's cute. Next, we have this lip volume plumper. Yep, hydrating lip plumper in amber gloss. So does it have like a color? Let's see. Oh yeah, oh wow. Okay, so this is from Grande Lips. Hydrating lip plumper. How do you, oh, okay, and then you, oh, okay. Well, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ah, and there we go. A little bit goes a long way. My dry, scaly lips. Oh wow. That is gold. Okay, got a lot more out. Okay. This is different. This is different. Amber Glow Gloss. Well, it had it on the actual lid. Don't know if you can see that. I feel a tingling sensation. How do my lips look? Do they look like super plump, like I got lip filler? Because that's what I'm going for. No, seriously, like plump these lips, baby. Okay. Well, this is great. Okay. Last but not least, we have this Girlactic 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm. Apply it under a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. Oh man, now I kind of wish that I didn't have this on here. Well, I got a little tissue here. Your wish is my command. Let's go ahead and remove this. Okay. All right. Well, it's not sticky, the Grande Lips thing, and it's easy to remove, so that's always good. Okay. Okay, that was, yeah. Ah, oh yeah, that's cute. Oh yeah, that is adorable. Sorry, adorable. Okay. Cute, I love it. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my beauty subscription boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what's the most exciting thing that you're gonna be doing this Christmas. For me, it's leaving the country and going to London and Paris for the first time in my life. I'm so excited and so grateful and so thankful. Thank you for sticking by me and for watching. All right, well, I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and that's it. All right, well, talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.